the 1935 Auburn 851 Supercharged Boattail Speedster that we are selling on Saturday, September 5th here at the Auburn auction. I've had the pleasure of driving a number of Supercharged Speedsters over the years. What I like best about this car is that it is the most wonderfully driving Speedster that I have ever been able to be in. And it starts easy. It handles tremendously well. Acceleration, shifting. Everything, and the clock is ticking away. It was very properly restored using correct components. It's a very original car with an outstanding restoration that has held up remarkably well. Of course, it's a certified car as well, so it pretty much ticks every box for those of you that are Speedster fans and have always wanted to own a supercharged car. Wonderful Auburn. Look forward to connecting with you, and we'll talk to you soon.